Alright guys, so this is going to be a daily recap for Wednesday 8th of January, and let's go into my pre-market analysis. Pull this over. So here I am looking to be bearish because we have a 15-minute market maker sell model. London manipulated above Asia highs, so I'm expecting session AMD lower, and we have good drawn liquidity below. So this is the chart before New York session. So as you can see, we had Asia session accumulate, and then we had London manipulate above Asia highs, and then we distributed lower. So I wanted to see like a retracement into this kind of London range and then a dump lower, right? And this is more zoomed out, but we can see that we're in the sell side of this market maker sell model, right? And we have previous week low, we have new week opening gap here, we have triple equal lows down here, and then we have our negative 2.5 standard deviation projections down here as well, right? So that's why I was looking to be bearish on the day. So ideally I want to see manipulation higher with the news at 8:15 and 8:30, and then get a New York open reversal profile to seek liquidity lower. So if we go into the day, we had news at 8:15, we had news at 8:30. So news at 8:15 was right here. It didn't do anything too significant. Also 8:30 was unemployment, I think, right here. It also didn't do anything too significant. But yeah, I was still looking for shorts. I liked how we were kind of manipulating higher, we were going higher. Here we had this sweep, and then we had these sweeps up here. I like how we were having this move higher, right? And then we came into this SIBI that was in the OT of the range. So here on 5-minute, yep, as you can see, a 0.79 lines up with this SIBI, and then we reject it really nicely. Also with the SMT above, right? So I was looking for a trade to short, and right here it was at the 1050 macro. We had SMT right here, we had an inversion right here, we had a mitigation block right here. So I took a short right here with my stop was above this high, I think, and then here I was targeting down here, but let me and then as you can see, we came into this we swept this internal low, and then we reacted off of it, like basically just instantly, which should have been a sign that I should have gone break even, but I held the trade and I got stopped out. So as I will pull up right here, right here is, what is this, 952. So I was saying it's just straight chop, so I'm not taking anything. And then right here is when things started to look a bit better. We had this unicorn which supported my bearish bias, so that was at 1021. And then around 1050 I took this, sold right here, bought right here, that's my stop loss, and I took $100 loss on 6 funded accounts, 6 PA accounts on Apex. And I mean, this trade wasn't the trade itself, I don't think was too bad. It's just that, you know, I should have looked at the higher time frame. I should have looked at the 5-minute, because right around here I was basically just in the 1 minute, right? And I was too tunnel vision, so I couldn't really see what was going on the higher time frame. And like, as you can see, it's just a mess, right? It started to clear up a little bit once we got this dump, but then, you know, if we got this kind of slow retracement inside the range, or back inside the range, so that just it wasn't a good sign. And, you know, I should have just stayed on the 5-minute, and then I would have realized how bad conditions were. But that is something that I can fix, so I will have to really be careful of doing that, right? So on like Monday and Tuesday, when I was trading, I was mostly on the 5-minute, and I think that's why, you know, I was able to take those wins or just avoid bad trades. But today I was too focused on the 1-minute, so that is why I think I lost a trade. But my psychology wasn't really too bad. I think I didn't have any, you know, I didn't enter this trade off of greed or anything. It's just I honestly thought it looked good, because, you know, I was oblivious to what was happening on the 5-minute. But I mean, as I said, you know, that's something that I will definitely fix. I will definitely improve on. And, you know, these losing days are it's just part of the trading journey. And I'm glad that I was able to keep my losses small, right? Because on Monday I had a winning day, and that was like $300 ish, I think. And, you know, today was just $100 loss, so I'm still up on the week, which is a good thing. And tomorrow is bank holiday, and then Friday we have NFP, so I will trade on Friday. Yeah, and that's about it. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day.